All right, I had an email this morning and it says that they are struggling a little bit and they don't really know what to do after they join Save Club. Okay, and don't worry, that's a great question. That means you're interested. And once you learn a few things and get good at a few things, that's going to become fun. It's going to be routine. Okay, come up with your own little system, your own little technique. Okay, that's what I have done. So when I produce my content, give me an extra hour or two each day. I'm a machine. I can do videos like this. I enjoy just going back and forth on my YouTube channel, people asking me questions. Okay, I usually will answer questions in video form and upload on my YouTube channel. That way, hundreds and then thousands at one point will be able to read, what the video title is about, and then maybe get their questions answered. Okay, so I'm a big fan of doing video on answering your questions. So if you have any, please, Cory at corydraper.com. Let me show you my business card. Can you see it right there? Cory at corydraper.com. All right. I like to make things fun. I don't overcomplicate this business. Okay. These business cards, I'm a big fan. Every video I promote Vistaprint. I'm not even an affiliate, and I guess I should be, but just get some business cards and please don't talk about this opportunity face to face with anyone because you're going to go on and on to the break of dawn, especially about the pay plan and everything else. And all of a sudden, 25 minutes later, you're going to be so confused and have a headache. Just get really good at inviting people to click a link to watch a video. Okay. I bought ilovesaveclub.com. All right. $12 and 17 cents. That's what it came out the door with tax and everything. Okay. I like GoDaddy because there's a live operator that can set this up for you and not spend 1 or 2 or 5 days trying to figure it out yourself. So ilovesaveclub.com. Boom. GoDaddy. Let's see. The business cards Vistaprint. They're about 20, 21, 22 bucks. Big old box. They come right to my door. I'll never use them in 1 to 2 years, but I hand them out. I just put them in my pocket. I have some in my cars and trucks and office here, and I just hand them out. If people really want information, I go ahead and have GoDaddy forward for free to this link. And it's nothing more than my capture page. You have this too. When you join for 60 bucks, you're an affiliate. You get this page. You get a badass website. You can put whatever name here. I put Cory Draper. That's my username. But all I do is invite people to watch this video. So if I don't do video at all right, I might do a social media post. Guys, watch this video. Check it out. I send people to this page. This is the video. If you don't ever do one video for whatever reason, guys, the video you're looking at on your screen right now, it's more than enough to give people information. Do you want to in or out? Okay, everything you need is right there. So please watch the video. It is our founder, Charles. I like to call him Charlie, and he's a good dude. All right, now, if you want more information or you want to join, just fill in your information here and then click the orange button. Then you're going to get an email from Save Club. And if you want to join, just open it up and save, on your membership. Okay, join for $19.97 a month if you'd like. You want to be an affiliate, do that one and done. 60 bucks, that's it, guys. All right, badass website. Now you can earn like I am doing. I've made well over 1,000 my first 10 days. Very excited. I've signed up 50. Look, I'm number 15 in the world right now. I got 51 people. And I've got a guy that just emailed me and said during his lunch break he's going to sign up. So I should have 52. And it's fun. I just have a routine. I make things simple. So if you sign up with me, I'm going to give you a nice email of exactly everything I do every day. I just have like a system, a technique, a post-it note. Okay? But I really want you to get a business card. I want you to get your own domain name. It's fun. Okay? It's cheap. Everything I do is cheap. Cheap and easy like me on a date. That's what I tell everybody. And then just go to this page, watch the video. Then you're going to log in. And you can see it's a very nice website. It's super easy. You're going to go to My Deals here. And you can just go ahead and search Planet Earth. All right? Just put your zip code. See right there, I put 84120. This will show me even local deals, like tiny places, little cafes, little bistros. You don't have, this isn't just a nationwide massive thing like Walmart's here, for example. They're saving with Save Club. Okay, you can save. All right, you got auto insurance, you got perfume, chocolates, Disneyland, Disney World, Universal Studios, okay, car insurance, mothers love roses. Okay, I like tires. Discount tire. I'm going to save about $300 for tires on my Hummer. HelloFresh if you eat healthy. If you eat average like me, you can go to Subway, Burger King coming in. Come on now, Popeyes, Papa Murphy's. Look, Ford, you can save $4,900 on some of their deals there. Okay? Go to Six Flags, go to Home Depot. Guys, it's unlimited. There's going to be hundreds of thousands and then eventually 1 million deals worldwide. Okay, so just hang in there. Yes, of course, these are mostly American based. You can tell just looking at their logo. But this is worldwide, up to Canada, Mexico, UK, of course, everywhere over Asia, everywhere over in African areas as well, okay? So anyway, I think you're going to have a good time. And if you need anything information-wise about the pay plan, go right here. I'm just going to show you this. I'm not going to go into it. It takes too long, and it's kind of boring, to be honest. But we have 5 ways we get paid. You don't have to buy nothing, all right? But if you want to join for the year, I recommend that, because you're VIP and you make bigger commissions if you join for the year instead of just month to month. But it's up to you and your budget. You figure that out. See that right there? saveclub.com/pay plan. Go to that link. Okay, that link is awesome because you're going to go to this page right below my face here. And go ahead and take your time. See the 5 ways you get paid. Okay? And we're going to have a nice video produced by the company that explains everything. Okay? But the pay plan's awesome. So saveclub.com/pay plan. And that is it, guys. I keep things real simple. I love saveclub.com. Boom. Go there right now. And if you need something, Cory at CoryDraper.com. You see my email there. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And my work is done. My coffee is done too. I just heard the little beep, 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 beep. So, okay, guys. Thanks for your time. And hopefully you subscribe and watch all my videos here with Save Club. Take care. Goodbye.